In today's episode, we're sailing away.
We left at like 6:45 this morning so we could get out of the Nassau Harbor.
We're on an offshore passage, headed towards the Berry Islands.
How about that guy? I got it all on camera.
Then we'll make a stop to fill up the tanks.
What'd you do, 33 gallons on each side?
Yeah, 33 gallons, and then 10 here.
Before we cast off the lines and head for a lovely remote anchorage. Let's do it. We just wrapped up a few days in Nassau where we hunkered down for some weather, got some supplies, and prepped the boat for more remote islands. This was a really nice stop. Tomorrow we'll get up early, cast off the lines, and sail on.
At like 6:45 this morning so we could get out of the Nassau Harbor before the cruise ship started coming in. It's been really, really nice. A little bit of a swell, but it's not too bad. It's like a long swell. Baby just went down for a nap. Reese is inside watching a movie, playing with Play-Doh. Jeremiah's back there at the helm. I decided to come up here and enjoy myself. Maybe snag some pictures. I'm wearing my Bikini Addiction bikini, so I'm gonna try to snag some pictures with my iPhone, see how they turn out. A little bright, so we'll have to see how it goes. All right, we are headed into Chub, which if you don't know what Chub is, the marina. Usually if you're a boater in the Bahamas, you know what it is, but if you don't, it is at the southern point of the Berries. It's more like a powerboat marina, but it's a good spot to pull in and get diesel and gas for your dinghy if you need it. So that's what we're doing right now. Got the deck set up. We're just gonna do a quick on, quick off the dock.
Chub Cay is a pretty popular spot over here, mainly due to its location between Bimini and Nassau. It's right before or after the Great Bahama Bank, so it's a good jump off or landing point. The entrance to the marina is pretty cool, lined with vacation homes. This little channel goes right up to a fuel dock, which is where we're headed. We tied off and got the deck ready to accept fuel. Calypso has two 75-gallon diesel tanks. They aren't completely empty. This is just a convenient stop.
How about that guy? I got it all on camera.
Did you? It's like he was just in the middle of the channel. I was like, can you move? And he's like, okay.
But no, you told him I'm going to the fuel dock.
Yeah.
I need to spin right there. Can you move? And he moved on the fuel dock.
I know. And he's like, going to the fuel dock? Or like, you know.
Oh my gosh. Boating.
Getting the diesel topped off is always a nice relief. We can go a long way on 2 fuel tanks. As an example, we once did a 1,500-mile passage and only used 1/4 of a tank.
What'd you do, 33 gallons on each side?
Yeah, 33 gallons, and then 10 here. It just replaces what we use in the generator basically on that and starboard side.
So did you only take 33 on each side because you already put the 10 in, so it made it even?
No, well this one sounded full, the other side I couldn't hear, so I just went with 33.
Oh. So we took 76 gallons altogether, 33 on each side, and 10 in fuel cans to replace the fuel the genset uses. We put the deck back together and it was time to head for an anchorage. Easy peasy. That went off without a hitch, so we headed out the inlet. The only bad thing about this inlet is that it's a little narrow and it bends, so it's blind. If you have unexpected two-way traffic, it could get a little tight. A while later, we were pulling into remote anchorage. We were all alone. Along our way in, we noticed what looked like an uncharted wreck, so we decided to park it as close as we could get so we could explore it. This looked like a great spot. Let's drop the hook.
Feels like it's calming down, but I'm sure the further in you go, the better. But I could drop the anchor like here.
Dropping the anchor in a brand new spot is always a thrill. The excitement of exploring new things always gets me. Plus, this time we're anchored right next to something big in the water. I can't wait to see what it is. Now, the captain will back down on the anchor to pull it into place and to test the holding. And that's it. I'll reinstall the chain lock and close the hatch. A lot of our viewers dream of sailing away one day. If that's you, this is as good as it gets. No timeline, a beautiful location, and plenty of sunshine. I could stay here forever.
You ready to do some snorkeling?
Yeah.
What are you looking for?
My mask.
Your mask. Better find that.
It was time to get the gear on and go explore what was in the water next to us.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
It's right there. It's not far. All right?
I'll follow you. All right, I'll hold on.
Okay.
You good?
Coming up,
It's a wreck, Reese. I know.
we'll explore an underwater wreck.
It's a whole freaking boat!
On tubing?
Then we'll get our tubing gear out and have some fun in the anchorage.
Here we go.
This will turn out to be one of my favorite moments ever.
Are you sure about this? Yeah!
I really want to go tubing now.
Then I'll give it a try, which might have been a mistake on my part.
Hi, Reese.
Jeremiah's a little mad at me, I'm a little mad at him, so I hope he doesn't take it out on me with the tube.
No!
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.